In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can connect the Nexus app to your Stream Deck software. Inside your Stream Deck software, you want to click on Settings and then go down and enable MCP Actions. After this, go over to the drop-down menu at the top and select MCP Actions, and then add a button of your choosing to your deck. In this example, we're going to use a 30-second timer, and we're also going to give that a title. This is very important for picking up on in Nexus. Next, we're going to load up the app. Inside the app, we want to go to Settings and then Integrations. We're going to add a new integration such as the Elgato Steam Deck software. We're going to give this a title and make sure the host is on our current worker. Once it's connected, you'll no longer see a yellow border on your integration. Next, go to Commands and add a new command. In this example, we're going to have a Twitch chat message that is going to be !timer. Now we're going to select a new action after this, which is going to be device type, which is your Stream Deck software, and the action type is going to be Run Stream Deck Action. Inside the action, then we want to select the button we have just created. Because of this new integration with the Stream Deck, you're now able to automate anything from multiple different light manufacturers and software as well. There is now no limitations of what you can achieve with Nexus.